Sup folks, gonna make a small test run here and see if it works. As you can see, I have a laptop with a projector up on a wall, I guess, with C# on it. I'm not really sure if you can tell. Anyways, enough of that. Make a test run here. I was inspired by the movie Iron Man 3, which I saw, so I made a GUI interface. Not finished yet, but test run. Hi. Are we connected to the internet?
Yes, we are connected. Should I notify you when I disconnect?
Power status.
Good, thanks.
No. Power status.
95%.
What? Oh yeah, unplugged the wire. Anyways, so yeah, the knowledge base is a bit weird. I can maybe throw up an example here for the knowledge base, if I can find it. Book mind general JSON. Okay, maybe I should zoom this in a bit so you can see. 2 seconds. So, as a demonstration, I'm just going to show you up on the wall. There. As you can see, if you look at the pattern, are we connected to the internet? It has no result values, or no result return. It would look at JavaScript, make the result system.network status, we are connected to the internet. Should I notify you when we disconnect at the end? Then we just want to have a response, yes or no. If it has a yes, then we'll create a new event for listen to network status change or something. Below there is something called what time is it? The result, it has no result, but the JavaScript says the result equals it's currently plus time.current time. So it gives you, I don't know, 9 o'clock at night or something like that. Up here we have something called power status, which says result equals system.powerStatus, which says which returns a string which is maybe 95% or whatever. It actually goes into the computer, checks the how much battery you have in the computer. It returns it as a stringified percentage value. And if I go up a bit here, so you can see the string version. Okay. So you know that there are hundreds and hundreds of billion possibilities of every phrase. You can say, this is a red car, this is a blue car, this is a yellow car, and that's just one sample phrase. If you think of all possible phrases and how you can change every small phrase into its subcategory phrases, like colors or different buildings, like this is a house, this is a building, this is a car, there's so many possibilities. So I've created like a wildcard and a search algorithm that goes through all possible phrases imaginable, to what extent you have created. If you don't, for example, if it's an app for, I don't know, librarians, you don't want any reference to, I don't know, cars or something, I don't know. So you exclude every car phrase or everything like how does the engine something. You really don't need that. So, but yeah, anyways, if you look at this here, we have a phrase here which says hi, and she responds just hi there. It's one of those pre-made responses. These should not be used a lot because it's used for maybe just hi and then she responds hi, a simple greeting, because you don't need to run any complex JavaScript for that. Or she can, for example, if you respond, it says hi and she responds hi, or sorry, if you say hi, she'll respond hi there. If you say hi there, she'll say hey you. So, you know, it can vary off something. But if you look at the hi and there's a small star right here, the reason for that star is it can be any word. You can say hi girl, hi you, hi there. Whatever word you place after hi, that star will pick up, match the phrase, and give you a response to it. The other one was here, good day, result, nothing. JavaScript is result equals time.greeting. What that is, it takes the current time and looks it up. If it is between midnight and 6 o'clock in the morning, she'll maybe say either good night or good morning, depending on if you've been talking to her recently or if it's been a while, which then she figures out that you've probably been sleeping, and then she'll respond good morning instead of good night. And, you know, same with afternoon, good day, and all that shit. Another pre-made phrase down here, how are you? Result is good, thanks, and JavaScript is nothing. That might be changed a bit. Maybe we should just leave result empty, and the JavaScript should be maybe calculated based on how many tasks she's currently performing and stuff like that. So we know that we can kind of get, you know, by saying how are you, we can kind of get a status update of how many tasks she's currently running. So we know that that we shouldn't pressure that too much on adding too much up, because it takes CPU not power, but, you know, it limits its responsiveness due to too many tasks pending. But I do not want it to be saying like, how are you, currently running 500 tasks, please shut up. It should be more like, currently running a few, well, I don't know, I'm not a fucking psychologist. It's a dabble, you know. So it's changed a bit. This is like a JSON structure. The previous thing was a XML like language, which was a bit more different. But anyways, check out my website www.episteme-engine or episteme-engine.com, and keep a lookout for the new release. The current release is 1.1, which is currently in stores for about $25 a piece. Episteme Engine 2.0 will be out soon, and I hope you like the little test and explanation and find the GUI interface a bit fun. Of course, this is a SDK which you can use in all your programs, applications. If you make a detective game, you can have the characters actually respond to you. You can create like a knowledge base article for them. So you can have like, I don't know, evil characters, and you can ask, where's John? And they'll respond, John is at the farm. Then you go to the farm, you can talk to people at the farm. I don't know. SDK, unlimited possibilities with a human interface. Create knowledge. Yeah, you know, you can. I'm currently using the Windows or Microsoft speech recognition. I've hooked it up, so you actually don't need to use it if you're using it on Android or Apple or sorry, Mac or OS X or something. You can just use their speech recognition. Currently, I've just added this one because it will take a while to go through all the operating systems and add custom speech recognition, but it's coming in due time.